Today we'll be putting a modern twist on the classic burger. Here we've laid out some ingredients for you guys, and let's get it started. First things first, we gotta get some vegetable oil in a tall glass, and let's put it in the freezer for later. Let's get these burgers going here. First, we're gonna get this ground beef into some nice patties, and let's start grilling.
I'm a puppet on a string, Tracy Island, time traveling diamond, could have shaped heartaches to come to find you for in some velvet morning. Years too late, she's a silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy, cause here isn't where I wanna be, and satisfaction feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself.
Now that we got the burger, let's get going on these condiments. We're going to start out with the mustard caviar. We're going to put a third cup of mustard in with a quarter cup of water, and now we're going to add 2 grams of agar agar. Once we've combined all these, we're going to place it in a pot and bring it to a boil on the stove.
I guess what I'm trying to say is I need the deep end, keep imagining meeting wished away, entire lifetimes unfelt.
Now that it's to a boil, we're going to take it off the heat and place it in a bowl. And now it's time to get our vegetable oil out of the freezer. We're going to place the mustard into some type of dropper. In this case, a turkey baster worked very well. Now we're going to take these droplets of hot mustard and place them in the cooled vegetable oil.
Since a youngin' now we dream of getting rich.
Now you see we got some nice mustard caviar. We all know you can't have mustard on a burger without ketchup, so let's get cracking on that. We're going to add the same amounts of ketchup, agar agar, and water into a bowl, and we're going to put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Now that it's at a boil, we're going to take it out and we're going to place it into a turkey baster, and let's start dropping it in the cold oil again.
Now it's time for this bacon power. Let's get cooking. We will need to obtain a third cup of bacon fat, and we will get it no other way than making some bacon. Once cooked, wring out any cloth or towel used to cook the bacon into a measuring cup. Scrape all the grease from the pan into the cup until you reach a third cup.
You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta put in work, work. You don't gotta go to work, let my body do the work, we can go tomorrow.
Now we will whisk in approximately a gram of salt.
We can work tomorrow. Let's put it in.
After this is done, obtain the tapioca maltodextrin and add scoopwise and whisk until you get a white semi-powdery mixture with the desired texture.
Yeah, I need you right now, so don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now, it's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most, so don't let me down, don't let me down.
Let's get to work on the cheese component of this bacon cheeseburger. First, we're going to start out by grating 3 ounces of cheese, and in the meantime, we're going to boil 1.5 cups of water. Once to a boil, we're going to take off the heat and add the 3 ounces of cheese into the water. We cover this mixture and wait for approximately a half an hour. After this half an hour is up, we can uncover it and strain out the solid part. You're looking for the liquid, so do not do this over a sink. You want to keep as much liquid cheese as possible. Discard the solid product. Place the liquid back in the pot. Once back in the pot, bring the mixture to a simmer. Stir in the soy lecithin and use the blender for 45 seconds to mix up the cheese mixture. And with a small spoon, we are going to skim off the cheese foam and place it on a plate. Once we have the desired amount of foam, we are now able to put in the freezer and let harden. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. It's now time to start dressing our burger with our freshly made condiments.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low.
We'll be right back to see the judges' reactions.
Man, I might just chill tonight.
Puppy monkey baby. 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 Puppy monkey baby.
Mountain Dew Kickstart. Dew, juice, caffeine.
And we're back.
Wow, this is the best burger I've ever eaten. I can't believe how good it is.
You know, a lot went into this, and I truly believe it's the burger of the future.
Noah.
Yeah. Sororo, you know what it is, right? Hood Ricky Wine the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah.
Megan, what did you do?